What's up, guys? Today is a no makeup, hair in a ponytail, get to work kind of day. We are going to be reorganizing our master bath closet, and I'm gonna take you guys in there just to show you what it looks like before we dive into it, but it's bad. And I've never actually dedicated time to organizing it since we moved in here almost 2 years ago. So it's just a lot of stuff like everywhere. It will give some of you anxiety like it's been giving me anxiety as it's been building up and building up and building up. But I'm gonna show you guys, don't judge anything that's in there because there are some things in there that are like from postpartum days, like right after I had Ryan. So there may be some women's diapers in there. So let's go ahead and clean that out. I bought a bunch of bins on Amazon for like really cheap. I'll link them down below. But let's just get right to it. No idea what is going on with my hair today. But anyway, are you guys ready to see this closet? It's frightening. Oh my God. Oh my God. Wow. So as you can see up there, there are some towels, and then it's just like product everywhere. This is honestly giving me anxiety, and the fact that I'm showing you guys is also giving me anxiety. Mark would probably kill me right now. Yep, there's those diapers I was talking about. The fact that I am letting you guys into this crazy closet just means we're on a whole nother level. We are very, very personal today. This is crazy. So the first thing you must do when organizing a closet or anything is to take it all out. This is going to be insane. It's going to be all over my bathroom, but we're gonna do it. Let's just take it all out. Let's go. I'm gonna leave the towels up here because one, I have a hard time reaching up here to put them away. So Mark usually does that. And two, these are all just nicely and neatly put up here. So we're taking everything out from here down. And these are probably expired. This is my favorite, the SkinCeuticals Purifying Cleansing Gel. So I have a big stash of this. Okay guys, it has been well over an hour. My caffeine has officially kicked in. I just cleaned the entire closet. I got rid of a ton of stuff. A lot of stuff that I had like in the medicine section was expired. A lot of vitamins I had were expired. So it's a really good thing that I got rid of a lot of that. I'm really excited about this. I also continued to just clean out my drawers that I have over by the sink as well. So underneath the sink, I'll show you guys, I have all of my hair stuff in there. That's always pretty much been that organized. But I had two drawers that were just like full of makeup and just kind of like all loose in the drawers. So I have since organized everything. This closet is completely organized and I can't wait to show you. So up here, like I mentioned, I just kept the towels up there. Same thing, nothing's changed. Then this next row, we have this bin, which has like just some of my face masks, some palettes back there. This is just like excess brushes, makeup brushes. Then I have my little washcloths there, some prenatal vitamins back there. And then this right here is just all of my makeup wipes. I have some cotton balls, some, this is Ryan's toothpaste, our toothpaste is over here. Then I have razors and shaving cream, which I don't even use anymore, but I have it there just in case. And then in here are all of my essential oils, and I will do a whole video on that if you guys want. I've recently gotten into that, especially with like the coronavirus going on. I'm just really crazy, and I am loving the essential oils lately. So those are all essential oils in there. Then the next row, I have two bins, almost 2.5, of just skincare items. So here we have my favorite, my SkinCeuticals Purifying Cleanser Gel. But yeah, so this is mostly cleansers and stuff. I have a little stay spray in there. Then this has a lot of my nighttime skincare stuff. My La Mer, my Necessaire, Ooh, that rhymes. So that's this one. And then over here it has majority of tanning products. So Tan Luxe is there. I have my Tarte Brazilians, Glow with the Faux. And then my favorite are the Tarte Brazilians face wipes. So that is mostly what this one is. And then you have some skincare peppered in there as well. And then this over here is all of my medical stuff, like Band-Aids. I have some Advil, some Tums, witch hazel, just a bunch of stuff over there. And then I have my like little body lotions here, my raw sugar, which I just started using. I like it because it's clean, it's a clean product, but I do think that the Eucerin is still better for my sensitive skin. So I will do a video on that stuff later as well, because I'm gonna include this in my empties video. And then this shelf is all hair stuff. So these are my headbands, my bobby pins, hair ties, stuff like that. Then I have my hot tools here, my blow dryers, and then my brushes right there as well. And then I will show you under my sink, it is full of just hair products. I could literally fill this entire closet if I did that. And then down here, I just have tampons. This is like Mark's bars of soap that I got in bulk from BJ's. And then, like I said, I've got some women's diapers and pads and stuff like that from when I was breastfeeding and right after I had Ryan. And then this bag right here, I kind of just keep all like travel stuff. This was actually in my hospital bag when I had Ryan. I just keep like an extra brush in there, a mini toothpaste, stuff like that. So when I am on the go, I just grab that bag and go. So yeah, this is it, you guys. I can't believe how organized it is. And Mark especially loves organization and stuff like that. So he's going to be so excited when he comes home and sees what I've done in our bathroom. As promised, I'll go ahead and show you under my sink. So these are all mostly hair products. I, as you can see, have some of these antiviral masks. This is like a teeth whitening kit, but yeah, mostly under here is just all hair care products. I have like some deodorants and sunscreen, but yeah, mostly all hair care products. And then in these drawers, these were the drawers I was telling you about that were just like floating makeup everywhere. I've completely organized them. Some of them got a little messed up when I opened the drawer. But yeah, so these are like my everyday makeup bags full of all my everyday products. And then under here in the next drawer, I just have some like excess makeup if I am running low, like I have backups here, and then some makeup wipe or cotton pads with my makeup wipes and yeah, micellar water. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed organizing my closet with me as much as I did. I actually got like a lot of gratification out of doing this. I might just have to do more closets throughout the house, and I think Mark will really appreciate that. But yeah, I definitely have like the spring fever itch. It's been really great weather here in Jersey, so I'm very excited about that. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you guys are doing any organizing yourselves or if you have any other tips. I might like label these, but I don't really think it's necessary. But yeah, I'll leave the link down below for all those clear bins right from Amazon. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. Make sure you are subscribed and you turn that notification bell on. I'll see you later. Mwah.